everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Misha, for those of you who are new and don't know. Also, if you are new, don't forget to join the family by subscribing to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to basically be talking about and showing you guys how I installed this wig. This is a wig that I made for myself, by myself. Hairareus actually sent me some hair to play with, and this is in the inches, 220 inches, 118-inch, and an 18-inch closure. The closure is a 4x4. I still have the package. This is a 4x4, and it is the Indian curly closure. I really actually like this company. I think their prices are very, very affordable, and they actually have some really, really pretty hair. Let's talk a little bit about the hair before I actually move on to the install of the video. So the hair did come in one of these packages, and I really love these bags because I can just toss this wig in it, or I could choose to put it on my mannequin doll head. So in one package came the Tresses Rehydration Conditioner. I think this conditioner is really perfect for the hair. Mind you, you probably can use other products, but why waste your products when they're giving you one for free, girl? Be smart. Be smart. In that same package comes this wig brush that they give you. I think it's pretty because you get to see yourself in like the mirror. Well, it's not a mirror, but it looks like it's a mirror to me because I can see my reflection. Also in the bag with the bundles now, and with a pamphlet, a brochure, as well as the locations that they have if you guys actually wanted to pick it up in store. The locations are Los Angeles, Miami, and Atlanta. So ladies, I think that I'm done talking about this hair. It speaks for itself. This hair is slayage, like like I love these curls. So enough about me talking blah 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 blah. I'm just gonna let you guys get right into the video, okay? So I'm going to be starting off with my Gotta Be gel. I didn't think I would have to go back and pick this up, but you know, Gotta Be does the trick. I'm just taking my edge brush and applying that on the bottom. It just makes it easier to apply this gel. And I'm just smoothing down my edges just so that I have a really nice clean install when I actually do put my wig on. So I'm just going to start braiding my hair down. For this wig, I figured since my hair is still straight, it's going to be a lot easier to actually place the wig on my head, and it will be a lot flatter because I don't have any bulk in my roots. So I'm just braiding it down and just tying the ends down. It's a very quick, easy install, guys. I'm just going to show you guys step by step on what I did to make this wig look as natural as possible. So now that I have my hair braided down and prepped, now I'm going to take my stocking cap. This is my wig cap. And I'm going to take a stocking cap, wig cap, whatever. And this is like, this ain't really flesh color, but it's close to my color. So I'm just going to have to finesse this wig cap just to make my wig look, like I said, as natural as possible. You're just going to cross the ends of your braids and tuck it under, girl. That is it. We just trying to keep this easy. Right where that line is, I'm going in with some powder. This is my concealer powder, and I'm just applying that right on that part just to make my wig part look as natural when it actually peeks through, if that makes sense. Now onto the fun part, my wig. So she looks very pretty, girl. I did that. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I did place an elastic band right around the closure part. I found this actual technique to be a lot more secure when it comes to me putting my wigs on, because I've tried the elastic band method before, and it would just constantly like either come off or it would just rub against my ear the wrong way. This was pretty snug, girl. When I tell you she was not coming off, my own boyfriend couldn't snatch this off my head, girl. She was the curve. So now that she is properly fitted, she's looking right? That unit is sitting. So now I'm going in and I'm gonna start customizing my baby edges because she was not looking so cute a few days ago. I was like, something's off. So I'm going in with some Gotta Be gel as well as some avocado foam mousse that I even use on my own natural hair. I'm just going to pretty much set the baby hairs down before I apply the edges. Before I apply the gel to hold it. So this mousse actually helps to make me working with the baby edges, because I really don't know, I don't play with baby edges a lot on wigs. I like to make it look as natural as possible. Here you see me cutting it up, you know. I'm just trying to finesse it, y'all. I'm just trying to make it look as cute as possible, as realistic as possible, as slayed as possible. So I would highly suggest that you work your baby edges the best you can to your own face shape and what looks as natural and good as possible on you. This is just the guideline. Like, try not to pull too much hair. That's what I did the first time. So like I said, I'm just finessing the edges a little bit more to make it look as natural as possible. Said she tired, little money, need a big boy. Pull a 20-inch blades like I'm Lil Troy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a decoy. Shorty mixing up the vodka with the liquor. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. All the housewives pull it up. I got a lot of toys. 720S. Like I said earlier, I did slightly overpluck this closure, so I'm going to go in with my James Charles Morphe palette. And I'm just taking a flat smudge brush, and I'm just taking some black and applying it to all of the sparse areas where they need to be filled in, because girl, she may look good from afar, but hunty, a few days ago when you step up close, she was looking a little off. So I was just like, let me go in and just, you know, help sister girl out, make her look and appear a lot more sexy. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna go back in with that same Maybelline Fit Me powder that I used to set my concealer, and I'm just applying that right on top of that part. So you see how natural and more flesh tone it's actually looking, because naturally our scalps are a lot lighter than our own face. So now I'm just gonna style and set these curls because they're looking a little wild and crazy, which I don't mind, but I'm going to work, so I have to make sure she's nicely, you know, presentable. So I'm just setting those curls with my avocado mousse, as you see, and hunty, she is about to be done soon. So just to let you ladies know, whoever is thinking about purchasing this Indian curly texture, I just want to let y'all know that I like the wet look when it comes to curly hair, like that old Spanish wavy like wet look. So that's what I was going for. But if you see on this side, where like right now where I'm about to apply it, the mousse, the day before, I actually put gel and the same mousse in this hair, and it's still kind of like, you know, dried pretty, but it didn't dry like that wet, sexy, wavy look I was going for. So it is what it is, but I still love this hair. That will be all for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you guys continue to follow the family, continue to be a part of the family, and as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the box below, and I will see you lovely beauties in my next video. Bye.